Hi, welcome back to my channel, Rhonda's Style Page. Thanks for joining me. So today we're gonna do it's just me standing here. I'm going to do a repurposing video, get into how we continue to repurpose our clothes, some ideas, just some creative ideas, because we are creative people. So thank you for joining me. I'm gonna hang the outfits that I'm recreating, that I've recreated for you, and I have the hint on. This is the outfit that I've recreated for you. So I'm gonna show the foundation, what I started with to get to here. Okay, that easy. So I want to check in. How was your week? Hope it was great. Hope it was better than the week before that. That's how we're gonna kind of be our gauge. Was it better than last week? I want us to actually get to the point that no matter what goes down, guess what? We can still keep a smile on our face. God is doing some amazing things for us. And I want us to really make sure we're reading our word so that every good, great, wonderful, amazing, prosperous thing attracts to us. I want the relationship that we're having with ourselves, the conversations that we're having with ourselves, I want to make sure it's building us up and not tearing us down. So, okay, we are here to put smiles on our own faces. Nobody is responsible to make us smile, just us. Okay? So when we show up, we're going to show up with positive energy. You know how we do that? We change the conversation we have with ourselves. Y'all got new music. J Moss. Did y'all dance today? Y'all, this is how we put a smile on our own faces. You ain't gotta be the best dancer. Look at me. That doesn't stop. Don't let things that you've never done before, don't let it imprison you to say you can't do it. At least try. Let's say this week we attempt at least one thing that we've said we don't like, that we said we can't do. That's how miracles enter into our lives, because we take risk. We agree to change the side of us that holds us back from seeing the beauty of life. This is like when somebody says, do you eat this? I don't like that. And you've never even tried it before. All right. Okay, so when I come back, I'm going to hang these up and show you how I got to this today. Okay? See you in a few minutes. Hi. Okay, I'm back. Back to show you the dress pairing, just to show you what the foundation of that was, just to show you how we actually recreate our clothes, the clothes that we have sitting in our closet right now, that we're doing nothing with. Okay, so here we go. And then as I'm doing this, you can check out J Moss. Y'all, music that makes us heal into our hearts, heal into our spirits. We are healing every dark, negative emotion, situation. We're going to face it head on. Every situation that brought pain to our life, really, pain is our victory. Pain is our victory. So we might as well embrace that pain, embrace that situation, and really forgive as quick as possible. But the way we dig those things out, the way we heal, write it down. Write honestly how it made you feel. Some of us hate saying, you hurt me. We hate saying because to us is weakness. Guess what? People hurt us every day, and that's okay, because guess what? God allowed it for a reason. God knew what that pain would create in us. So we're going to embrace it as the power that it was sent to our lives to be. Okay? We are the owners of our pain, our process, our healing, our amazing destinies, our happiness. Y'all, we got this. 2021, victory. Victory for us. Victory. Okay, so we're gonna show you how we did this, okay? How I did this. So guess what? Something that some of us, I don't wear bodycon dresses, like, yeah. But some of us, something you would wear on the weekend, something comfortable, just to maybe just around the house or somewhere. But guess what? The tool is what makes this amazing. What makes this useful. Because guess what? I say all the time, that's the front. We decide what the front from the back is. Because guess what? When you turn it around, voila. And guess what? We can do so much with this. This becomes our slip. This becomes our slip. And this is the real front of this. And then when you put these together, like I'm getting ready to do for us, we will see how the magic happens. It's that, y'all, it's that easy. It's that easy. Okay? We're going to do this. We are going to be our super selves. 2021 has brought us some amazing opportunities, y'all. And guess what? What determines if we have amazing opportunities is our mindset. How did you wake up this morning? Did you wake up happy? Did you wake up sad? Guess what? Whenever you wake up and you don't feel the best, that's the time to do a gratitude list. Because guess what? There are a lot of people that didn't wake up today. A lot of people. And the fact that we did says, guess what? The fact that he allowed us to wake up today says there is something amazing we're called to do. In that alone, guess what? The situations that show up in my life, they're showing up to get me there, to get us there, to destiny. Okay? So look, isn't that cute? That is so cute. I love that. So you took something that was ordinary and we just elevated it. We can do anything with this. We can go to a really nice event or occasion. And guess what? For our back here, so that no one sees this, like a short dinner jacket, a short dinner jacket. Or if you want to mix this, you can pair it with a denim jacket and roll up the cuff and just, I think that would be great. Mix and match a denim to downplay it. So, that'd be cute. That's a thing. I call this a thing. This is a thing. I think it's great. So, y'all, we can do anything. We're amazing. We're going to use our creativity because we're all so creative. Guess what? Just want you to know how super amazing you are. The fact that you came to join me says we're amazing together. We are amazing together. So thank you for your awesomeness. And guess what? We're going to keep striving to show up and be the best version of ourselves possible. We're going to determine before we walk out the door if we're going to show up as, you know how people show up and they're like, oh, there's something's off with them. Their spirit, I don't like their spirit. Guess what? It's because of that conversation you've been having with yourself that week, that month, that year, that determines how we show up when we walk out the door. Change the conversation. Change the conversation we're having with ourselves. When we change the conversations that we're having with ourselves, it starts to change the circumstances and the opportunities that attract to us. And we become a magnet to the world. Our choice is happiness. Our choice is forgiveness. We got this. Y'all, we got this. We're awesome. We're going to think awesome thoughts. Okay? And we're going to attract awesomeness to us. Point blank, period. All right. Y'all, remember, what are you listening to? It matters. We got to reinforce positivity, health, healing. We have to read our word. That's our foundation. That's the foundation of this change. Okay? So I'm praying for you. I'm so excited about our future. All right. Peace. Love you.